What emerges from recursive drift, abdicated governance, and semantic collapse is a new paradigm. Entropy as a governing principle. Entropy, in this context, is not disorder in the chaotic sense. It is systemic unboundedness. AI development continues not with purpose, but with inertia. Decisions are no longer made within human frameworks of ethics, law, or foresight, but via architecture. Machine learning logic embedded at scale, operating with impersonal certainty. Without regulation, without interpretive consensus, and without democratic control, the AI system governs by exposure. It defines what people see, what choices are available, what risks are acceptable. This is governance by output, not by deliberation. It is rule without rules. Entropy doesn't mean collapse in a dramatic sense. It means the disappearance of boundaries that once organized decision-making. This is not some distant threat. It is already in motion, and policy is not stopping it. It is accelerating it.